HF-700PRO, formerly known as the HF-660PRO, because of the combination of a 700mm automatic straight cutting saw, and HF means fabrication, means canted frame. We decided to make it an HF-700PRO. So I'm going to take you a little bit more into our HF series, which means that the frame is basically 6.5 degrees canted instead of the normal 1 to 1.5 degrees. This is a big difference between the HF-700PRO and the H700PRO. Another difference is with the HF-700PRO, we all have full stroke top clamps, and basically this means also that we can cut bundles. Also, this machine is not built for export, this machine is built for local market. So I'm going to mention some short points that will be different when it's going to be exported into the European area or the USA area. But it's very nice to see the machine in assembly almost finished, to take you a little bit more in what this machine basically can do. So I'm going to take you a little bit more in. So we have a movable guide arm on the left, hydraulically movable, also with a hydraulic brake, linear guides on the top. We have a fixed guide arm on the left. Of course, the big column on the left, another big column on the right, which we improved because it's also with a linear guide. So it's a dual column linear guide on one side, big round column on to hold up the whole frame. 2 cylinders that makes the machine go up and down. And like you know already, our guide seat, 2 eccentric rollers, so up to 530 millimeter. All our machines basically have 2 eccentric rollers as well on the in-feed side as on the out-feed side of the blade. Sturdy machine, heavily built, 700 millimeter, it needs to be heavily built. I'm going to take you a little bit more to the back of the machine because that's the interesting part. This is where I basically can let you see the full stroke top clamp. The rest is known, so we have a control panel with HMI and buttons. Of course, everything is CE, safety models inside. Also for the local Chinese market, because we are a high volume producer, meaning that we want to keep everything as standard as possible. So going to take you a little bit more into the machine, to the back. You see here the full stroke top clamp. So on the front, just behind of the frame, you have the first one and the second one with the shuttle vise. This shuttle vise has a stroke of 1 meter. You can upgrade it from hydraulic to servo driven, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever you do. I think the longest that we've done is 5 meter, I'm not sure, something like that. Then you see also the build of the shuttle vise, heavily built, so 6 points where it slides, 2 cylinders to make it slide, rollers into the bed, end of material detection, height detection, so basically everything that makes a saw sturdy and makes it cut very nice. Nothing more to say about this. So 1 meter stroke HF-700PRO can be equipped with a 2 meter stroke, 3 meter stroke, 4 meter stroke, 5 meter stroke, 6 meter stroke, servo driven, non-servo driven, just what you want. So fantastic saw.